afternoon, guys. We're at shop in the city. You see just inside the door here, it's piled up again. Oh my goodness. Gotta get a storage bin up against that wall. And we're running a little bit of a predicament. In the case that we've actually are running out of room in here to do anything. So I gotta start moving stuff back here so I get more stuff in here tomorrow. Put this back here, out of the way. All right, so I'll just start throwing stuff back this way. And that's not scrap. So that is a burning pit. Deformed. That in there for now. There's aluminum. I think that can be cleaned up a bit. Oh. Here we go again. So we got to move all this stuff back today because we got 3 or 4 dryers, a stove, 3 hot water heaters, a 200-gallon oil tank, and an oil furnace coming in tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll let the young fellow move the heavy stuff over. And came the other night. We had this pressure washer by the door to tear down. Gotta love neighbors. So we'll get this and we'll bring it back in a few minutes. And but then my breath stop coughing, and we'll see where we're at. See you in a second. Alrighty, we're back again. We ain't done yet, but we're getting there. I got most of the barrels dumped out and set down there to put stuff in. Emptied all the totes out, dumped them there. All that stuff's gonna be processed here over the next couple of days. Got this space all opened. This here, probably gonna put this right at the very back because it's for sale. Set it back here. There we go. Oh, nice cast aluminum. Here you go, clean cast. This is all clean sheet aluminum. I think this goes as sheet 2 or old. I don't know, that's why I got it separate. And, we got some more sheet aluminum process off the washers and dryers coming in. We got a piece right here I gotta do. Now this here is a nice piece of extruded aluminum. Got some of that in the pile there too somewhere. I'm gonna start working on this or I won't stop. Once I start tearing stuff apart, I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going, and I ain't got time for that today. Because that is just the way it is. Got more garbage in there. All right. Hold this down to here. Take those taps off it. We're putting a 5-gallon bucket underneath here, or a bucket of some kind, whatever fit under there. Taking this out, off, take the drain plug off the bottom there, cut the pipe off. Put a grate across here, and then we drill our hole in our sealed units and set them on the grate, let them drain down to the tub and down into the bucket to be disposed of properly. Then we'll start cutting up the sealed units to get the copper out of them. Oh, she's an ongoing process.
If this is salty, man, I'm angry.
So we're getting her done. Just to bring back a quick update while we're in the middle of this. She's in a couple minutes. Don't get bored now. We won't. Alrighty. I think we might be done here at the shop for the evening. It looks a lot better. We get almost all that stuff in here on Monday or tomorrow when we bring it in. It should almost all fit right here. If not, I can just pile on top of each other. This stuff here, I can take off some wires. This whole pile here is ready to go. The scrap here is all shred. There's a big pail of shred. So this is probably the trailer load. We got the top off the deep freeze here. Start throwing aluminum in here, like the motors off of the is it there? That's not far enough. Motors off stuff like this, the power steam washer and the lawn mower. We got some more stuff to clean up here. Let's see what this stuff is here. Ah, goodness. See if this is copper or not. Nope. And nope. So these will go in for electric motors. We need a heavier bucket for this. This one here is the heaviest one. There we go. Throw them there. So, as we going along, we'll get her all straightened out. A bucket of wire here. We throw this in a light duty bucket. This one here is a pretty light duty bucket. There we go. Start filling that up tomorrow. We're get a chance to start working again here. So we got her all cleaned out so we can get that load here tomorrow. If we have to, we quickly move this stuff here down a bit and put more stuff here. But I think we should be able to fit a stove, 3 dryers, 3 hot water heaters, 200-gallon cut-up oil tank, and a oil furnace in here. Here, it's solid aluminum. I don't know what this is. I haven't checked it yet. But I tell you, it'd be nice to get this out. It's clean aluminum. Wow. Clean cast, that's heavy. That's probably $40 for the clean cast right there. It's that heavy. It's good. It's a good 100 pounds. And 40 cents a pound, it's like $40. So, we're done here for the evening. I think the shop's ready to go now. Just start processing this pile at the start of the week. And get the workbench cleaned off, get rid of the microwaves, process those. There's 2 microwaves here, get rid of those 2 big TVs. They're taking up a lot of room. Get rid of these 2 bulky items. And then start on this pile here. Get rid of the big items first, get the heck out of here so we got room to work. We got our barrels all set up today, all cleaned out and set up. We went with 2 fire pits to sell. You seen the one earlier. He took another one out of a washing machine. Dryer, I guess it was. I guess it was a dryer. So now we got 2 to go. There's $30 sitting there, $15 a piece. I just want to come in quick and go home, but the young guy made me work. A dirty bugger. I want to come in and just put stuff aside and run, but he kept me in here for 2 hours working. He's a slave driver. You're a bugger. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and y'all take care. We'll see what kind of adventures we can get into tomorrow. Talk to you then. God bless.